This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a battery on a Buick Envision. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set. You'll need a few basic tools: a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Having these ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate your battery. It's usually under the hood. Using your wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal and remove the cable. Always remove the negative cable first to prevent electrical shorts. Then, do the same for the positive terminal, removing that cable. Finally, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Clean the battery tray and the cable terminals thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive cable to the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly. Then, connect the negative cable to the negative terminal, securing it tightly as well. You're almost done. Double-check that both the positive and negative cables are securely fastened to the new battery terminals. Reinstall any hold-down clamps or straps to keep the battery firmly in place. Now, start your vehicle to confirm everything is working as it should. Remember to take your old battery to a certified recycling center for proper disposal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.